You are going to love the 2018 Escalade ESV. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, navigation system, power passenger seat, power lift gate, Bose sound system, traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.